Hello children, welcome to Measures of Central Tendency Part 3. In Part 1 I explained mean or average. In Part 2 I explained mode. In this third part I will explain median and quartiles for untabulated and ungrouped data. Okay, so in this part I will explain median and quartiles for untabulated and tabulated but ungrouped data. Okay, so first let us understand what is median and quartile, then we go for untabulated and then we go for ungrouped data. Okay, now let us take a line segment AB. Okay, suppose imagine that data have been arranged in ascending order. Okay, in a straight line. Okay, now we will divide this line segment AB into 4 equal parts. So this is the middle, this is 1/4, this is 3/4. Okay, this is Q1, Q2, Q3. Okay, this is equal to this is equal to this is equal to this. So I have divided AB into 4 equal parts by taking 3 points Q1, Q2, Q3. Okay, this Q2 is called median. Okay, so see the location, see the position of Q2. It is exactly in the middle of AB. Okay, or half of AB. Okay, 50% or half, 1/2. So remember this, whenever you want to find median you have to use 1/2. Okay, then this Q1 is called lower quartile. Okay, this Q1 is called lower quartile. You can see its position, it is 25%. Okay, or 1/4. 1/4. This is 1, this is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, this is 1. So 1/4, 25%. This is Q3 is upper quartile. You can see its position, it is at 75%. Okay, or it is at the third position. 3 out of 4. 1, 2, 3, 3 out of 4. 3/4. So this is a very easy trick to remember what is lower quartile, means formula for lower quartile, median and upper quartile. Lower quartile is 1/4, median is 1/2 because it is in the middle, upper quartile is 3/4, 75%. Okay, next is inter quartile range. Inter quartile range means difference between upper quartile and lower quartile. So Q3 minus Q1, this is the formula for inter quartile range. Okay, so now let us move to untabulated data. First I am giving the formula. Okay, when the number of terms is odd, okay, there can be two possible cases, odd and even. Okay, in class 9 you have studied about median. You did not study about quartiles, but you have studied about median. So there can be two possible cases, odd and even. So when the number of terms is odd, in that case Q1 will be equal to n plus 1 by 4. Okay, so remember, whenever you see odd, you have to take n plus 1. And since it is lower quartile, 1 by 4, I have given the diagram. Lower quartile means 1 by 4. Okay. And odd means n plus 1. So combining these two, we get n plus 1 by 4 term. Now Q2 means median. Okay. Since it is odd, again n plus 1. Then median means 1 by 2. So combining these two, we get n plus 1 by 2 term. Okay. Q3 is equal to again odd. So n plus 1. Then upper quartile is equal to 3 by 4. So combining these two, 3 by 4 and n plus 1, we get okay 3 whole n plus 1 by 4th term. Okay, so this is the formula. It is very easy to remember. For odd n plus 1, then for lower quartile 1 by 4, median 1 by 2, upper quartile 3 by 4. Combine those two, you will get the formula. Okay, this is for odd. Now let us go for evens. When n is even, okay, Q1 is equal to, now we will take only n, we will not take n plus 1, it is taken only for odd, n plus 1 is taken for odd, but if it is even, we will take only n. Okay, so n by n by 4. Since even, therefore n, since lower quartile, therefore 1 by 4. So n and 1 by 4 if you combine, you will get n by 4 term. Then Q2, it is a little different. Q2 you have studied in this one median formula you had studied in class 9. Okay, you might remember. These two you had not studied, but this one you had studied. Now this also you have studied in class 9. Okay, it will be n by 2 term. Okay, plus n by 2 plus 1 term whole by 2. Remember this formula, you have already studied in class 9. Suppose there are 4 fingers. See, 4 fingers, 3 fingers, then this is in the middle. Okay, 1 is in the middle. Okay, how to get this position? 1, 2, 3. How did I get second position? 3 plus 1, that is 4. Okay, 3 plus 1, that is 4 by 2 is second term. This one. Okay, so when odd, we always add plus 1, means 1. Okay, so plus 1. But when even, suppose 4, which finger is in the middle? We cannot see. Okay, see, none of the fingers is in the middle. This finger we cannot say it is in the middle. If you take formula n by 2, simply if you take n by 2, it will not satisfy. See, here n is 4, n is 4. Now 4 by 2 is 2. Second position, this one. For me, for you this one second, for me this is second position. Now can I say this finger is in the middle? No, this finger is not in the middle. So this formula will be wrong. So we have to use this formula, n by 2 term plus again n by 2 plus 1 term, means these two fingers are in the middle. These two you combine like this. Okay, these two fingers are in the middle. So second finger and third finger. Okay, so n by 2 term plus n by 2 plus 1 term whole by 2, they are average. They are average. These two average. Okay, they are average by 2. Next, Q3. Since it is even, therefore n. Now upper quartile is 3 by 4. So 3n by 4 term. Okay, so this is the formula which you have to remember. Use the trick, odd than n plus 1, even than n. lower quartile then 1 by 4, upper quartile then 3 by 4, median then 1 by 2, 25%, 50%, 75%. Okay. So now let us take an example of untabulated data, then we will go for ungrouped data. First is untabulated data. Okay. So let us take a very simple example. Suppose marks secured by students in unit test out of 25. Okay. Marks secured by students. I will take a specific number of students and the full marks will be 25. Out of 25, how much they are getting? Suppose roll number 1 got 18, roll number 2 got 8, 3 got 20, then 15, then 12, 24, 16, 10, 12, 14, okay. Then suppose 8, then 16. Okay. I have taken 12 students. Okay. I have taken even. Okay. My first work is to arrange this data in ascending order. Okay. So let us arrange this in ascending order. First we will have I am writing here 8, 8, 10, 12 two times, 12, 12. Okay. Next 13 is not, 14 is there, 14, 15, 15, 16 two times, 16 two times. After 16, 17 not there, 18 is there, 18, 19 not there, 20, 20, 20 is there, 20 is there, then 24, then 24. Okay. So first thing, we should not give any number. Okay. Count the number of students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 students. I have taken marks of 12 students. Here count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So correct. So you have to verify this. Okay. You should not give any number or any datum. Now we will use the formula. N is equal to 12. We have collected 12 marks, 12 students. Okay. 12 is an even number. So here we write even. Okay. Even. Then Q1 is equal to, when N is even, we have a specific set of formula. Okay. For lower quartile, for median and upper quartile. Lower quartile is equal to, since it is even, therefore N. Since it is lower quartile, so 1 by 4. So combining we get N by 4 term. Okay. Combining we get N by 4 term. What is N? 12. 12 by 4 is 3. So third term. Third term. Which is the third term? First, second, third. This one. So lower quartile of the given set of data is 10. Now let us go for median. Q2 is equal to, even means N. Okay. Even means N. Then median means by 2, 1 by 2. Combining these two, we get N by 2 term plus N by 2 Simply do not take n by 2 term. Okay, I have explained. In the 4 fingers, if I take the 4 fingers, 4 by 2 is to second finger, it is not in the middle. So this is not the median. Okay, so simply do not take n by 2 terms. And in second 12 by 2 is 6. So 6th term plus 1 means the next term. 7th term by 2, which is the 6th term and which is the 7th term. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is 6, this is 7. So 14 plus 15 by 2, which is 29. 14 plus 15 is 29. 29 by 2 is 14.5. So the median of the given set of data is 14.5. Okay, 14.5. Now let us go for upper quartile. Okay, now let us go for upper quartile. Since even, therefore n, and since upper quartile means 75% or 3 by 4. So 3n by 4th term. What is n? 12. N is 12. So 3 into 12 by 4. 3 into 12 is 36. 36 by 4 is 9. So 9th term. 9th term. Which is the 9th term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 16. So the upper quartile is 16. Okay. So this is how to find lower quartile, median and upper quartile for untabulated data. Okay. Now we will go for interquartile range. Okay. Here I am writing interquartile range is equal to Q3 minus Q1 formula, the difference between upper quartile and lower quartile. 16 minus 10, which is 6. Okay, so Q3 minus Q1, 16 minus 10, which is 6. So this is how to find interquartile range for untabulated data. Now let us go for tabulated but ungrouped data. In the first part, I have already explained what is untabulated data, what is ungrouped data, what is grouped data. Okay, so I am not explaining now. I am just using the terms. Next is ungrouped data. Okay, let us take an example. Suppose I will take weight of children. Okay, here number of students means frequency. You can say that this is x, this is x, this is f. Weight and number of students. Okay, suppose I start from 40 kg, class 10 students. Okay, I will start from minimum, it will be 40 kg. 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. I am taking till 70. Okay, some students will be more than 70, but I am taking till 70. Now let us take the number of students. This time I will take odd number of students. Okay, in the last example untabulated data I have taken even, so this time I am going to take odd number of students. Suppose 40 kg there are 12 students. 45 kg there are 10 students. 50 kg there are 24 students. 55 kg there are 31 students. 60 kg there are 25 students. 65 kg there are 65 kg. Let us take 13 students. So 115. Then 70 kg. Suppose there are 8 students. Suppose. Okay. So if you add all these numbers, the frequencies, you will get plus 8. 123 students, which is an odd number. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ready? So first go for n. The data is already arranged in ascending order, as you can see. So no need to arrange again. Okay. Tabulated means it will be arranged. Okay. So n is equal to sigma f, sum of all the frequencies. Okay. If you add all the frequencies, you will get 123, which is odd. So now to find the median, lower quartile and upper quartile, you have to use formula for odd. Okay. First let us go for lower quartile. Odd means n plus 1. N plus 1 by lower quartile means 1 by 4. So combining we get n plus 1 by 4 sum, which is equal to n is 123. 123 plus 1 is 124. 124 by 4 is 30. First term. 123 plus 1 is 124. 124 by 4 is 31st term. Now how to find the 31st term? 31st term means the 31st student. If you keep the students in a straight line, okay. Suppose first we will keep the 12 students whose weight are 40 kg each in a straight line. First 12 students 40 kg, 40 kg, 40 kg like this. First 12 students 40 kg. Then the next 10 students whose weight is 45 kg. After the 12 students they will stand. Okay. Then the next 24 students whose weight is 50 kg. Then the next 31 students whose weight is 55 kg. Then the next 25 students whose weight is 60. In this way, we will make the students stand in a straight line. Okay, in increasing order of their weight. Okay. Now from that line, we will have to find the student which is in the 31st position. You have to find the weight of the student whose position is 31 in the straight line. Okay. Now to find that, you will need cumulative frequency, CF, cumulative frequency. Okay. Cumulative frequency, which you have already studied in class 9. Cumulative frequency means you will simply go on adding the frequencies. 12, 12, and 12 plus 10, 12 plus 10. Okay. 12 plus 10 is equal to 22. 22 plus 24 is equal to 46. 46 plus 31 is equal to 77. 77 plus 25 is equal to 102. 102 plus 13 is equal to 115. 115 plus 8 is equal to 123. This CF gives the position. Okay. Now this 12 means, try to understand the relevance of CF. This is very important. Okay. This 12 means first 12 students, their weight is 40 kg. Don't look at CF, don't look at frequency. Now we don't need frequency, we need simply CF. Then 22 means 13th term or 13th student, means student standing at the 13th position to the 22nd position. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. These students their weight is 45 kg. Then this 46 means 23rd to 46. Here is 22. Then the next 20, simply 46 means 23rd to 46 means 23, 24, 25 like this till 46. These students, their weight is 50 kg. Similarly, suppose 102. What is the meaning of 102 here? 102 means 78th student to 102nd student. 78 to 102. These students, okay, their position, it is the position. These students, their weight is 60 kg. Ready? So what will be the weight of the 31st student? 31st term. Okay. This is 12. This is 22. 31st must be here. 46 means 23rd to 46. 23rd to 46 means 31st will be included here. The 31st student will be in this category. Okay. So his weight or her weight is 50 kg. So 31st term is equal to 50 kg. So this is Q1. Now we will go for Q2. Without CF we cannot find this. Okay, for tabulated data. Next is Q2. Again odd means n plus 1. Now this is median means 1 by 2. So n plus 1 by 2 term. N plus 1 is 124. 123 plus 1 is 124. By 2 is 62nd term. 62nd term means the child whose position is 62. Whose position is 62. They are standing in a straight line. Let us find the child. His weight 12, 22, 46. Here 77 means 47th to 77th. 47th to 77th. These children, their weight is 55 kg. So definitely in this category, this child will be there. 62nd child will be there. Okay. So his weight is also 55 kg. 55 kg. So this is the median. Okay. Now we will go for upper quartile. Again odd. So n plus 1. Upper quartile means 3 by 4. Three whole n plus 1 by 4 term. Okay. N plus 1 is 124. So 3 into 124 by 4. Okay. So 431. 431 is 124. So 3 into 31 is 93rd term. Means the student who is standing at the 93rd position. His weight we have to find. Let us find from the CF cumulative frequency. 93rd means he will be here. 102 means 102 means 78th child to 102nd child. These students, how many are there? 25. These students, their weight is 60 kg. Okay. So the 93rd child, his weight will also be 60 kg. Okay. So this is the upper quartile. Next is interquartile range. Next is interquartile range. Interquartile range. Okay, formula is Q3 minus Q1. Okay, Q3 we got 60, Q1 we had got 31st 50. Okay, and we raised, but Q3 we got 60, Q1 we had got 50. So 60 minus 50 is equal to 10 kg. So interquartile range is equal to 10 kg. Okay. So this is how to find median, lower quartile, upper quartile, and interquartile range for untabulated data and tabulated but ungrouped data. Okay. So this is the end of part 3. Thank you for watching.